Everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the top 3 stocks to keep on watch for this week. All right, I'm also going to be doing an update on some of the stocks that I've mentioned in the last video. So let's dive right into it right off the bat. We got the SPY over here, and in the last video, which I released which was a morning video actually for Monday, I told y'all watch the market for a drop, because we were looking a little bit sus right here at the open. From the video from Wednesday or Thursday, the SPY did what I thought it was supposed to do, which was to drop to 425. And now that I got there, it gave one more chance for shorts to get out, and that was like a 15-minute window at the open on yesterday, right? We have 1, 2, 3 shorts get out right here, and then we have this massive reversal right there. All right, now where is the market going to go? I think the tides are shifting towards the bullish side. All right, things are slowly rotating over. Things are making a U-turn right now. Having alerts right here, right at 428, just like I'm doing. All right, set your alerts right there, and the moment that pops is the moment like a lot of buyers are going to step into the charts. A lot of buyers. This is the previous level of resistance. Again, I don't know how long it's gonna go sideways before we break that previous high, but I definitely think we're gonna break the previous high and run all the way up towards 36, well, towards 436. I mean, somewhere around here, either today or tomorrow. All right, one of these 2 days. So that's my thoughts on the SPY. The VIX didn't quite go all the way up to, let's see, it didn't quite go all the way up to 25, but it did go to 223. All right. In the last video, I told y'all again, the bullish pennant on the VIX is still there, and I think that it's gonna go higher, and it definitely went higher. But then again, we had a massive change of direction. This is the parts where the VIX fades. Yeah, I'm bullish on the market today. I am, and the indices are up by a little bit too. They're up by a little bit. Worst case scenario, we have a red to green move on the indices, which means that the VIX is gonna push up a little bit towards 20.5 and then drop all day. All right, worst case scenario. Best case scenario, we see a little red, but most of the day should be green. All right, so that's my thoughts on these two, the VIX and the market. Now, the first stock that y'all should be keeping on the watch for today, that stock is, well, it's more like a sector. All right, and it's coin. Now, coin has this bullish pennant on the charts. All right, it has a massive bullish pennant on the charts, and it has room to run. It definitely has room to run. As you can see, it broke out yesterday along with the other stocks in this sector. We actually were watching Mara. All right, and yesterday Mara looked like this right here. I was watching it, and then in the afternoon I decided to buy calls on Mara right over here, as you can see. So like 3 minutes before the market closed, again, I bought calls on Mara with the price target of $11, and so far the stock is up by a lot. It's up by 14% right now. Now, with this one, will we be expecting a little bit of a pullback? Maybe. It's a possibility, right? But it's not done yet. Mara price target is 11. This one right here, there could be a little drop to 81 before we continue higher to 87, maybe $86. So definitely keep the crypto sector on watch. BTC is already up by like 10%, and the other crypto stocks are also up by quite a bit. All right, so just watch them for a pullback and then watch them for a run either by the end of the day or tomorrow. Yeah, I will be looking to take money off the table though, because of the massive move that happened overnight. So that's the first one to keep on watch. The next one to keep on watch is Roku. All right, now Roku, I really like this one because number one, it's undervalued. It's been beaten down by about 38%, 40% ish. All right, and right now it's looking decent. It's looking all right, and I think the Russell might do pretty well today. So, and this one is a small cap. Well, it's a smallish cap, and the Russell 2000s. When the Russell runs, typically this stock runs a lot as well. So keep this one on watch for a long. Yeah, keep it on watch for a long, all the way up towards 65 bucks. I don't know exactly. Like, set an alert at 62.50. And if it rings and the volume is great, then the odds for a push today are good. All right, so that's what I would say for the stock. Now, that's two stocks, two bullish stocks. Now, the next one that I'm gonna share is actually kind of bearish. We're gonna go onto the 1 minute, and then we're gonna switch to FedEx right here. All right, we're gonna clean up the charts. And now, the reason why I want to share FedEx with y'all is because of the 1 hour. If you look at the 1 hour, there is this thing right there on the charts. There is a descending triangle on the charts. All right, this is usually bearish, and I'm like, I saw this yesterday and I thought about going short on it. I'm watching it though for weakness. The other stock that moves with this has earnings coming up, I think on Friday, and that other stock is UPS. So something seems really bearish about this. All right, the price target that I have for it is around like 230. So just watch it. If it doesn't push all the way up above 240 and close above 240, then the chances of us dropping are good. It's been on the downtrend for quite some time, and the daily and the weekly are not looking that great. Like today, it might play games, but tomorrow I think it might flush. So that's the third stock to keep on watch for today. Now, quick updates on TTD. Again, congrats to anybody who made money on TTD yesterday. We definitely did, and I got out at the right time too. The first time that we shorted this one, I mentioned it in the last video. So again, this is the Discord. So we shorted it yesterday, on Friday, on the 20th. All right, from here right below the breakdown all the way to like 60 to 73 and a half. Yeah, to 73 and a half. That was the first time that we shorted it, and then I got back in at the close for another short. All right, and in yesterday morning's video, I told you I'll watch it for a drop to 70 again, and it tried its best to drop in the morning. Like it dropped ferociously in the morning, and as soon as it got to 72 and a half, I sold half, and then once it started to rotate a little bit at 8:48, let's go on to the 1 minute. Once it really started to like make a turnaround right here, I got out completely. All right, the main question is it going to drop? I don't think so. I don't think 70 is gonna be hit this week. Again, the market is shifting towards the bullish side, and I think the bearish move might be temporarily over. Like it could continue on another day. I just don't think that this is gonna be today. All right, so that's my honest thoughts on all of these stocks. The same thing also occurred with SMH. All right, and SMH did perfectly. Like again, I told you I'll watch it for a drop to 140 in, I believe, Friday's video, which I released in the middle of the day too. And it went to 140 and it bounced. All right, so again, congrats to all of you for making money on these shorts, and that is the end of the video. Again, do not forget to demolish the like button. As always, don't forget to subscribe if you are new to the channel to be part of a private Discord community where you can get all of this information in real time as I see it. You can find that as the first link in the description of the video below. Also, if you haven't followed me on social media yet, you can find me at NGumah at Patternology Lab on Instagram and on Twitter. And lastly, if all of this is new to you, if you're interested in getting started in the stock market, there's some basic step-by-step directions in the description of the video below. Step 1 to step 3. And it takes about 10-15 minutes for you to have all the tools you need to start trading immediately. You can also get some free stocks with Webull after signing up by using the third link in the description of the video below. Let's get, ladies and gentlemen. My name is NGumah, Patternology Lab, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see all of you in the next video.